Hello and welcome to the tutorial on how to install Magic Maiden 1.6.4 using the Curse Launcher. So, to begin with, you have your folder for Magic Maiden. Install, we're actually not going to follow that. So, what we do is we create a custom profile. Set our Minecraft version to 1.6.4, set the mod loader to whatever is default. We're going to do Magic Maiden 1.6.164 for Minecraft 164. And then click on it. Open folder. And we're going to take chocolate, config, and mods. All of these, and we're going to drop them in here. That takes care of that. And then, now, even though we're gonna, as you know, the little maid mod, say that 3 times fast, if you don't put it in the app data folder, it will just play, the maids will only be using gas sounds, which is kind of terrifying. So, if you want to get the maid mob sounds working, you actually go to the Curses Minecraft install folder. You sets. This will not interfere with anything else that you play. This will also work to have the 1.7 version of Little Maid Mob as well. So, you drop those in there. I'm gonna hit refresh here. Then I'm gonna hit play. Give it a moment. Come on, Minecraft, load up. There we go. Creative, super flat, generate structures on. Create new world. Make sure you're and then if we grab ourselves a head and kick, hold the kick, actually just one kick, and some sugar, As you can see, the maids played their audio. And just to demonstrate it again. We have 3. They all played their audio. They all look. Launcher.